Hey, you. Yeah, you. Yeah. Did you sub? Did you click sub? Bruh. Click that sub, bruh.
There's a little bit of snow out. See if I can get a couple of MANJI shots. Which is hilarious. Because the snow came out of nowhere. TBH is always like this one. Oh, I'll leave this thing flying around like oh my. Do people forget that there's snow on the ground or what? That light up ahead goes green. We're gonna do a nice third gear shitty. Yo, these people in these all-wheel drive SUVs feel super confident, eh? Like just because you can get out of a spot doesn't mean you can stop. Like big thing. Y'all ready for this? VLSD feels so weird, like it locks, but then also you feel at one point where it just like puts down to only one wheel, or like one gets more power, and it just feels odd. There's still not enough snow. I'll probably give it like, I'd say like 20 to 30, and it'll be perfect for what I'd like to do. This bitch already fighting for traction. Key to snow drifting is basically don't get too confident. Like, don't think you're Ken Block out here. You know, Ken Block got a really well set up car, nice tires, all that shit. Even though it's like easy to feel confident. Oh my god, ABS kicks right the fuck in. But it's easier to feel confident in snow drifting. While snow drifting, just remember, it's the most accident prone. Well, I don't know, whatever. Low-key, listen how I started drifting. I was in the snow. Oh my god, this is cheesing. That's how I started, for real, like, snow is like low friction, obviously, so it's just easy to kick it sideways. gas tank open. The whole stretch here. Sweet. Big tight. The funny thing is these tires claim to be all season, and I suspect they're summer. So like, we're going here. Fuck, well, my E39, that had like some good snow, well, not good snows, but it had some snows on it. And this is my little fucking pad. I would go to work here in this little section there. Slide around that pool, in and out these sections. Yeah. We meet again. My nephew brother. Yeah, for I come back in like an hour. Yeah, it should be good. I don't know who that is. It's Gruppy. I love it when she call me Big Papa. Okay, well, I'm on all seasons. This is kind of slippery, like sleety. Gonna give it a little bit of left foot braking. That weight transfer though. Like I said, in the snow, don't be a hero though. It's like one pedestrian type guy hanging out over there. Seems alright. He doesn't even look. I'm not gonna go too hard, but. Whoopsie daisy. I was a little aggro with third gear. Okay. I gotta stay here forever. Be a hero, I'm not a hero. Thou must behave thyself. That's like left foot braking as much as my E39. Fucking Charles. Charles Xavier. Charles Xavier, the X-Men. All right. Time to A-boogie with the hoodie. We out of here, cuz. Y'all niggas ain't seen shit. I ain't do shit. Nobody did shit. And that has been snow drifting with Peso at baby. DK. Nigga West End DK, nigga. So yeah, like I said, snow, sleet, whatever you wanna call it. Great practice. All about this control. The thickities. The thickities. Did well. He did well. Seems like VLSD only likes motherfucking snow. Fresh ass section right here, y'all. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. Oh my. We're slipping. When you have 577,000 horsepower, you tend to go like this. Alright, so that was a pretty good sesh. Like, I type do that on the regular. Open diff, shit bucket car, capable core, all that. So whoop, whoopsie daisy. Oh, that was pretty good. But remember, it's all about calm and control and no panicking. If I had panicked there, probably would have went and that person's driving like this. Leave this motherfucking 4K, because apparently I found out just today that I didn't have 4K on. I thought there was like a body under that car. I was geeked for a second. Oh, look at that. I wonder how strong these diffs and axles are. I'm not trying to go too hammer. I'll box up something, but if Reezy's up, nigga, we getting some outside footage.
I love Peso. A lot of these pretty bitches be drug addicts, bro. But it's all good though. She can't put the drugs down, she need all the cocaine. Lil P drugs on her nose ring. On my rockstar shit, yo chick said she wanna love me. She just want the Xanax and the perky way too early. Coke up in her nose, she got a drug sneeze. I be low key, and she be on her knees. I pulled off in the foreign, got police behind me. It don't matter what they say, I'm just trying to get my paper every fucking day. Came up rough, cannot get no fuck, I just need my pay. I cannot fuck with that bitch, no she cannot stay. She a thotty, she trusts niggas to take pictures of her body. I don't give a fuck about nothing, much less anybody. Riding through the city, bitch, I'm blowing top shelf. I'm off the kush pack, I really need it for my health. I'm making music, I make this shit just for my wealth. All you niggas whack, they got no talent. I put the rap game on my back, show you niggas that the lyrics in return. Vampire shit, I sip up on the fucking urn. My soul go up in the urn, took your bitch, it's my turn. Yeah. I love peso bitch, y'all fuck nigga already know what it is, bruh. I be coming with some rappity rap shit, some rock shit, some shit y'all niggas even can't even ever think of, my nigga, bruh. But your bitch love me too. Shout out Kevlar.